Okay, so I started putting up these groove and tongue. As I told you before, they're all plastic, and still haven't touched that beam because I have to modify the moldings. But let me go up and show you how I connect them to the studs and tracks. So I'm up on the makeshift scaffolding that I did with two ladders, two 6-foot ladders, and another ladder on top of it. But right here, right there, you just screw right there, and then you put another one on there and seal it right there. Just butt it up against it. And there's not much to explain about this. So that's as far as I'm at right now. Let me put one in so you can see. So you put it up in there, in those grooves right there. Now right there is where you want to seal it. So you just push on it a little bit and then tap it, and it goes in there. In there. All sealed up. Next thing is to put some screws in there.